Gemini Prototyping say that this Joemars spark erosion machine from Eurospark is an essential part of their tool room, so we're going to find out why. Gemini Prototyping, so what is it exactly that you're making here?
We make prototypes for automotive, motorsports, medical, aerospace sectors.
So many industries. So when you're talking about prototyping, are you production?
No, ultimately we're a one-stop shop. We take everything from the idea and the concept right the way up to production.
So what's the setup that you've got here?
We've got a tool room on site, we've got a blow moulding department, injection moulding, we offer plastic welding, vat casting, traditional silicone moulding.
Pretty much anything.
Yeah.
So in terms of achievements, what's some of the proudest achievements that you've made here at Gemini?
Many different applications, as you can see as you're walking around the business, but I think the standout ones are with award-winning projects for a well-known electric vehicle producer, and in 2014 that won various prestigious awards. So. And
what trends are you seeing in the marketplace at the moment in regards to prototyping?
A reduction in the mass of the component, trying to be environmentally aware, different materials, a trend to move from plastics across to paper and compression paper. So.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So what are your predictions here in the future and what challenges are you coming up against?
It's time is always the challenge for us. It's all wanted tomorrow. So like I say, we can take ideas from literally a phone call and 2 days later we've got mouldings.
So Andy, I know you're very happy with your Joemars machine from Eurospark, but let's go to this application. What is it that you're normally cutting on this machine?
Aluminium. We use a lot of aluminium because we are a prototyping company.
So you're not really in the production side?
No, not in production, no.
So then why have you gone for the tough material on this occasion?
Because the customer wanted a good surface finish and we found it better to spark it in steel so we could get a better surface finish.
And I guess you're taking and removing an operation out of it as well?
Yes.
And so tell me, how easy are these machines to use?
These machines are very easy to use, very user-friendly. Anybody in this company can use this machine with little training.
With little so even I can use the machine?
Yes.
Even
Yes.
I can use it?
Yes.
And how easy do you find the control?
It's very simple to use. Just by changing certain settings, I can erode a lot quicker.
And do you find that you need to do that often?
Because you want to get the job done quickly, so you don't want it taking too long, because obviously time is money.
Yes.
So just by changing certain settings, I can make it erode a lot quicker.
So what is it about the particular machine then that it is that you like?
Since we're into prototyping, we can put any size tool on this machine and it does exactly what we want, how we want.
It's as simple as that. And
it's simple.
And you've told me how simple the control panel is to work. How about your service and support? Like, how long have you had this machine here?
We've had it probably about 8 years. And yes, we've had nothing go wrong with the machine at all.
Nothing wrong in 8 years?
Nothing wrong in 8 years. The service from Eurospark is fantastic. And yeah, we could do with a few more of these machines, really.
You know what, you just beat me to it, because I was going to say, do you need another one then? But you're saying that actually, you know, you'd go for this time and time again.
Yes.
I think I know the answer here, but would you recommend this machine and why?
I would recommend it to any tool room in this country. It's an easy machine to use, very versatile. Anybody can use it, anybody can program it. And we can use all different types of materials, from aluminium to stainless to P20 steels. We can get any sort of finish.
Is it fast?
It is fast, yes.
There you go.
Very fast. We did that in sort of 20 minutes.
Has it impressed you?
Yes.
There you go.
Yes.
That's all you need. And also, it's not skipped a beat either.
No, no.